Moko kuom jokedo ne ratich oganda koro sundo od bura mondo keda atega gi wach mar mibadhi makoro nuro migepe mopogore e thurka kane otelnegi kod jatend kweth mong'ere kaka Vibrant Francis Owino gikone jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale nyaka koro kawne okang' mowinjore.
Everybody, because of fight for end of corruption, advocating for good governance, and asking for transparency and accountability from the leaders. And this is not just from the leaders alone, but also even the stations and everybody else. And now today we want to say the fight is not over until it's over.
Nitarudi nyuma in 2023. Sasa SHA ilikuwa NHIF. I took a petition to court, petition number 151 of 2023. Nikijaribu explain vyenye pesa zinapotea za Wakenya. Vibe tribe?
One nation.
One nation?
One tribe.
Tukiendelea mambo ya SHA, I have already taken a petition to court. Emphasizing kama nimeshtaki Ndwale, nikiongelelea mambo ya venye pesa inapotea. Kama president wa youth, nikasema lazima tupeleke petition kotini juu Ndwale afai kuwa kwa hiyo ofisi. Vibe tribe?
One nation.
In this country we have so many people wenye wamesomea mambo ya medics. It is so very wrong for our president achukua mtu tu wowote akuje oversee a medical institution.